Hello, hello, hello. It is Christine Michelle, and this series is the Decision Series. It is all about helping you to make a decision when you're grappling and can't understand, you don't know what to do, you don't know what to choose, your life is over. It's all about that. So, before I dive into the next two techniques on how to help you make a decision, remember to hit the subscribe button, hit the notification so that you can be notified when another video is being uploaded for your viewing pleasure. So let's go. We are talking about helping yourself make a decision. I talked in the last video about muscle testing, right? I gave 4 ways to do muscle testing. There are other ways, but those are my 4 favorite ways. Well, 3 favorite ways, and then the other way that I am testing, which I look like I'm getting better at. So if you haven't watched that video, go and check it out. But you are grappling with the decision, you're trying to figure it out, and muscle testing is not your thing. Damn, what do you do? Well, I am the journaling queen. You guys know I'm the journaling queen. I'm all about journaling. I love to journal. It changes your life. I have a freebie below this video that is a 5-day mini course on journaling. It talks about why journaling, what should you do, the ways I use journaling. If you have no clue about journaling for manifestation, you need to click below this video and get that freebie. But if I'm confused with a decision, trying to make a decision, I just can't, I don't know what to do, I will journal about it. And one of the ways that I will is I'll ask myself a question, which is similar to muscle testing, right? But I'm tapping into my subconscious, I'm tapping into my soul and truly allowing myself to understand what I want, right? So for me, it could be, I'm listening, before I journal, I will like connect with my soul, do some breathing, some grounding, right? And then I will write the question, should I blah, 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 right? Or do I truly desire to do da, 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 da? Or what should I do in this situation? And then just truly answer it. Just allow the first thoughts from my head to just come on the paper. And it might start off with, I have no clue to do. I have no clue what to do. I'm asking myself this question and I have no idea how to answer it. Well, you know, what I really want to do, this is what lights me up. Well, normally this is what lights me up, but I'm still being pulled in this direction. And I just really, truly write. And I write for 5 minutes, 10 minutes, just to really get deeper and deeper into my subconscious, allow my hand to stop, my brain to stop really pushing my hand forward and my brain to stop telling me what to write and really tapping into what's coming from my soul. And so that is one way that you could do it. Ask yourself the question and just start writing and seeing how you feel about it, seeing what lights you up, what gets you excited, and then you'll see which decision to make, right? Or 2, you can visualize. And I get like, sometimes I lose my space when I'm visualizing. I close my eyes, I try to visualize, and then all of a sudden I think about squirrels or parties or hot dudes or like something, and and I lose my place. But a lot of times when you're trying to pick a various scenario, you can easily say, okay, this is, if I were to choose scenario 1, this is how I would feel. And then just really close my eyes and think about it and say, okay, yeah, not so much, right? Right, think about it. And then you'll say, okay, I choose scenario 2. This is how I think I would feel. This is what would happen. And then just compare your feelings in both of those scenarios. Which one expands you more? Which one excites you more? And then you choose either one, right? So it's pretty simple. You could also do that when you're journaling. If I were to choose scenario 1, I would do this, and I would travel the world, and I would work for myself, and da 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 da. If I were to choose scenario 2, which let's say staying with my corporate job, getting promoted, I would, make a lot of money. I would get to work with the same people. I would get to enjoy this. I would get to do that, right? So there's so many different things that you could do in order to journal it out or visualize it out. So those are 2 of the ways. Have you used either one of those ways? Have you journaled out? Like when you have a question, have you ever visualized and looked at the scenarios when you had a question? What challenges did you have when you did those? Did you come up with some solutions? Which one did you pick and how did it work out? Like all of those things, I want to hear about it in the comments, definitely. And remember to subscribe. Hit the notification button. Let me know. Do you like the 5-minute videos? Do you like the 10-minute videos? Do you want to hear from me more? I want to know. And anyhow, in the next video, we are going to talk about signs. I know everybody has a thought process, a different point of view about signs and what they think about signs and what signs truly mean. I have a totally different point of view. Can't wait to share that with you. But until then, remember to subscribe, hit the notification button, say hello, Christine, we love you in the comments below. Share this with a friend who is grappling with decision, has no idea what she's gonna do, and then see me in the next video. So, hugs, kisses, and all of the beautiful feels. Bye.